Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Collins Digital Academy. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, do well to hit that subscribe button because you'll be learning a lot from this channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a UK or US TikTok account. There's no trick here. There's everything I'm teaching you here is 100% legit. You don't need a UK number or a US number. All you need is a fresh Gmail account. Okay, so a lot of people have been scammed due to they cannot create UK or US TikTok accounts by themselves. Now you don't need to go to UK or have someone in UK to create a UK or US TikTok account. Okay, so why are we creating this UK or US TikTok account is because our country here, a lot of countries are not eligible for the TikTok monetization program, which is being the requirement is being above 18, being eligible, your location being eligible for the monetization, which is the UK, US, Japan, South Korea, and the rest. Okay, so I'm going to teach you in this video, don't skip any part of this video, how to create a working UK TikTok or US TikTok account without using any phone number, no VPN, just your Gmail. Okay, so this tutorial is user friendly, so let's dive in. So firstly, you go to your Play Store and then download the app TikTok. So like I said, this tutorial is user friendly, so you can see the TikTok application right here. So this is the TikTok application. So you go ahead and download it. I have installed it already, so I'm going to go into the app and then teach you guys. So this is an account I just created, so to prove to you guys that this is a UK TikTok account, so I'm just going to click on my settings, go to settings and privacy, go to account, and then go to account information, and then this is it. So this is it. This is a UK TikTok account. The account region is on UK, United Kingdom. So as you can see it here, the only thing I use to create this account is my Gmail, which is this right here. So let me show you something again, to show you that this account is eligible for the Creator Beta program. So you go to your TikTok studio, then as you can see it here, it is eligible for the Creator Rewards program. So you can see, so this account is freshly created and it can be monetized once I have 100,000 views, 100,000 valid views, and then a 10,000 followers on this account. So I created this account newly, so I'm just going to show you guys the steps I followed in order to create this account. Okay, so I'm going to log out now. I'm going to log out from this account. I'm going to click on add account, and then I'm going. All right, so when you get to this place, this is where the main problem is. So some people don't know what to do here. This is where the problem is. So read through the bottom right here and see what it says. So let me move this. So it says by continuing with an account location in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. So what you're going to do is to click on this place they wrote Nigeria, just tap on it, and then it will bring you here, and then all you need to do is to input the country, region, or the location you want to create the account. Let's say you want a UK TikTok, you input United Kingdom. Let's say if you want US, you input US. So I'm creating a UK TikTok now, so I'm going to put United Kingdom, United. So you can see it here, you can see United Kingdom right here. So I'm just going to tap on United Kingdom, tap on it, so you can see it has been updated. So it says by continuing with account with an account located in United Kingdom, no longer Nigeria. So now as I proceed creating this account, it will be a UK TikTok account. So let's continue. So I'll click on use phone number or email. I'm not using phone number, I'm going to be using email. So in this date of birth, you need to put a date of birth which is above 18 years in order for you to be eligible for the TikTok monetization program. Okay, so I'm just, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to put a random date of birth. So I'm just going to, let's go with September, because September is my month. Okay, so let me just input a random date of birth. So okay, this is good, this is up to 18. Okay, this is good, it is up to 18. Make sure you use a date of birth which is up to 18, and then you click on next. Click on next. No, we are not continuing with phone number, we are going with email. So you switch it to email, and then you enter your email right here. So you enter your email right here. So you enter your email right here. So this is my email, and I'm going to click on continue right here. You just have to wait for it to load. So you might accept, it says get, you can read through here. It says get trending contents, blah 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 blah. Okay, I think my network is bad right now. So okay, so now here you have to enter your password. So I'm just going to enter any random password for the sake of this tutorial. So I've entered my password. Now I'm going to click on next. So make sure your password is up to 8 characters and a maximum of 20 characters, one letter and one number, one and a special character. Okay, so that your password strength will be strong. So you click on next. Then they will send me a code to this my Gmail account. So I'm going to get it now. So I'm going to go to my Gmail app to get the code. So as you can see, this is a fresh Gmail. So this is the code right here. I'm going to click on it and then copy the code. So I'm going to copy it and then go back and paste it. Okay, let me just type it. It says 804567. 804567. Okay, now the account has been created. The account has Okay, so the account has been created. So to confirm that this is actually a UK TikTok account, let me show you guys. So I'm going to click on this menu icon here, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on account information, and then you can see it. This is located, the account region is in United Kingdom. So let me show you guys if I'm eligible for the creator reward program. So I'm just going to click here again, click on TikTok Studio, and then go to the monetization part, and then you can see creator reward program. So this is it. We did not use any UK number, we did not change our location, we did not use any VPN. So this is just TikTok settings, and we are able to get a UK TikTok account. Okay, so this is 100% legit, no trick, there's no trick here. So this is how to create a UK or a US TikTok account. Remember, all you need to do is to change the location, the region of the account. Why? Before creating the account. That's all you need. You don't need a VPN, you don't need a phone number, you don't need all those stuffs. A lot of people charge 10k, 20k, 100k just to create for someone a UK TikTok or a US TikTok. Now I have showed you how to create this UK TikTok account for free, and you have not yet subscribed to this channel. I don't know what to say to you, but please and please do well to subscribe to this channel, because you are going to be learning a lot. Like this video so that YouTube shows it to more people who needs it, and then share this video to your friends so that they can benefit from this. All you need to start earning from TikTok is getting 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in your videos. Okay, that's all you need to start earning from TikTok, because you have solved the problem of a location. You have created a UK TikTok which is eligible for monetization, and then you're up to 18. Your account, your date of birth on your account is up to 18. So that is all you need. So what you need now is to start publishing content and start making money on TikTok. That's all you need. So I still remain Coach Collins, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye.